So offer number one is the one-to-many workshops. So these things are affordable and they're impactful weekly workshops that your people can come to. So you can charge $75 per person. And I just put together some numbers here for you. And this alone can do $52,000 in annual revenue if you can hit these numbers. So if you did one weekly session for 1 hour, so that's 4 per month or 1 a week, that's 52 sessions a year. If you had a 7% conversion rate, which if you're doing a live presentation each week, number one, you're going to get really good at your messaging. And I really think you need to be do them live every week for an entire year, because then you're going to have a really powerful message figured out. You're going to, you'll be sick of your own story, your own jokes, your own whatever, but it will be a massive change for you. I mean, this can be so much more than $52,000 in annual revenue, but let's just keep it simple and low here. But if you were converting at 7%, that means each week you would have to work on getting 214 people to attend each session. So if you took that 214 and you divided it by 7, each day you got to work to get 30 people to sign up for that weekly workshop. Okay, if you work really hard, you can get that done. And we're just talking about $75 per attendee. What if you double that, right? So that there alone would be what you would need to hit our supposed goal of 105, right? So just think about it in this way. Like I'm just telling you these things that, on Wednesday you would announce that you're doing the workshop, because you would have your community, you'd have your email list, you'd have your group, that you could go in there and announce, hey, we're doing a workshop over XYZ this weekend or tomorrow. And then the next day you'd execute on the workshop. And then on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you would send out the replay, and then you would reset the next week. And you could keep covering the same thing. You could try different hooks each week. But this is a great way to do this. And, the thing that you're going to be teaching them, the thing that you're going to help them with is going to be way more valuable than $75 to them.